Tarka Dhal. This is what we are making today. Look at these beautiful spices. Learn how to bloom them and how to give some flavor to this absolutely fantastic red lentil dish. And we're also having some roti or chapati. Stick around till the end of the video and I'll show you how to make chapati. Hi, I'm Monika Czerveniak with Fearless Cooking. Let's make dahl. So what I have here is I have sauteed some onions here for a few minutes. They're looking pretty good. I'm gonna add some garlic in it, and then I'm going to add my dahl, which are red lentils. I've washed them really well. It's very important that you wash them. It's just like rice. You need to wash them well till there's no more cloudy water coming out. So I'm gonna mix this up here, and I'm going to add some spices. The first spice I'm going to use is turmeric. Second one I'm going to use is a little bit of cumin, and I got some coriander here as well, and just a little touch of paprika because that's what I like. And I'm also going to put in nutritional yeast. For all you vegans and vegetarians out there, this is fantastic, and for the carnivores as well. But it's a very good substitution for your vitamins, proteins, and everything else. So I'm mixing this up, and then I'm just going to cook this up with some water. I'm going to cook this for about 8-10 minutes. Dahl. Give it a little bit. What is Tarka Dhal? Tarka Dhal is basically, it's a spicy dahl. Indians just love it. It's very simple. What I have here is I'm going to bloom some of my herbs. And I have here fennel, I have here peppercorn, I have here cumins, and I have coriander. I also put in a little bit of chili, and I've got a green chili. So we're going to just bloom this as all the flavors are coming out then, and then we're going to stir it up a little bit and add it later on to our dahl. So you should smell these spices. It's unbelievable. They're going to jump all over the place a little bit. Be careful. I mean, you don't have to use all these spices if you don't want to, and you can just leave it as it is, the regular dahl. But Tarka Dhal really requires that we have some blooming and aromatic spices coming out. So this is just about it. I'm going to put this in my little mortar and pestle here. And what we do is, every household should have one of those. And then you just basically start grinding them by hand. It's so much nicer. You can really feel what's going on with your spices. And of course, this is a bit too much that I made here, but can always use them later on for anything else. Oh, the smell of this is unbelievable. So I added some more water here into my lentils. You have to keep getting water into it or stock. And now I'm going to add my tarka. And I'm going to cook this up for about another 5 minutes, and then we're ready to serve it. I'm going to taste it, ready to serve. I'm going to add a few more of these fantastic herbs on top. I also give it a taste test. You can spice it up yourself if you like, or less, more or less at your liking. This is absolutely fantastic. It's a great dip as well. You have some roti or chapati with that, and the whole family will go in here. Tarka Dhal, a little spicy red lentil from India. It is absolutely fantastic. Those aromatic spices are in there. It's delicious. And of course, it's fabulous with a roti, homemade roti. If you enjoyed this session, remember to be fearless in your kitchen.